Well, I bought, despite I didn't initially wanted to buy, a new lens for my GoPro Hero 9. It's called Max Mode or Max Lens Mode. And I put on this hyper smooth mode and it looks just good. And I'm moving my camera, left and right and up and down, and this horizon stabilization is just incredible. Probably this is good mounting on a bike or car or whatever, maybe even for walking. Maybe, but I've been very happy with the GoPro without this max lens. Just walking around and they look just very stable. So far this GoPro Hero 9 has been my favorite video camera for blogging. Well, I don't do blog, but it's been my favorite. Obviously it's a wide angle lens, so depth of field is, not shallow, not cinematic like if I use my, other cameras, but this is pretty decent. I'm very impressed.